Hello, beautiful ascending ones. Hello, Jakob, somewhere in the bush. Doing his Jacob things. So, we're just in the gateway. It's the 11th of December today. And what a journey it's been. Where are we at in the realms of the micro, macro existence of humanity? What goes on out there is happening inside. Have we reached that realization yet? And knowing that it's an inside job. And what a job that is when we can really delve deep and listen to our intuition of what our body wants. And maybe the body wants something that's very, very different to our daily routines and what's happening in these seasons. I mean, it's Christmas and still we're seeing the lie of consumerism where people are just like blinded and it's just like a spell. You can see that it's a spell that we're under in consuming in order to stop prevent guilt and shame from happening. The having of things and the wasting of things just for the sake of consuming. Financial status as well. This is what this time of year brings up. You know. Well, you know, why aren't you consuming? You know, I mean, the thing is, it's when we don't feel guilty about not giving or like all this material goods and being okay with not receiving, we actually can enjoy this time of year. The truest part of it, which is all about togetherness and love. Which it is all year round, is it not? So, thank you for all those that are really delving deep into themselves right now and their cells and beginning to listen to every single cell of their bodies, knowing that that is a key to finding out what the next steps are, what the next choices are in our lives. Essentially, our choices are what creates the evolution in our souls, and it's our choices that create the next part of the path of what we face and the truth that is coming. Thank you to this little prowler looking for mice and voles and deer. Sia wabo sali o le makiawa. Tikiawa pale kiawa ti lei. Pati le makula le kiawa na. Paputa le kia di dad le ana. Sababu sa te busha kiawa. Tia bang kiawa ti busho. Tipa kia mana ni kia wala ni boso. So te ki busha ne kia matarana. Sa te kiawa sa te kia ne ki. Sia. Papucho le kiawa. Se mamu pucho le kiawa na sa. Se mamu pucho te kiawa na. Asa te kia le. Asa kia. Allow these codes to bring you into the awareness of the cells in your body, the awareness of your intuition and what your body wants for your soul. And if that is resting all day long, if that is turning everything off and ignoring the demands that are coming your way because of this time of year, I dare you to unplug and switch off and lead by example. Giving thanks, Baba si sile kia delena. Ke baba sa tu tele dalana ma. Ke basa ti tele de. Ke baba sa tu o wa dale de. Ke amana ki tele kia dele do. Ke baba sa ti tele dalane mo. Ye mama ni kia dele de. Sile le ki ti mama di dala dile hey. Seba papa leni mani kia dale do. Kia papa de kia le kita dale no. Kia ne li mala ni bala na ma. Sa papa te tule kia papa te le dala na la na. Ha. Haux Haux Haux. Shoo. Shoo. Your faces. I love yous all so much. And let us listen to the body. And what? You know everything going on out there is happening in here. Tiny to big. Tiny picture, big picture. Same bloody thing. You know this deep down. You know this in every cell of your body. So you need to start listening to the teachings of the cellular makeup. All right. Love you very much. Catch.